This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the structural core because a stable base determines sound consistency. First, mount the frame on a level surface and secure it so vibrations won't travel. Then install the motor plate and align shafts. Even small misalignment skews speed and timing. Once done, attach the belt and set preliminary tension to prevent slipping, but allow slight give. Make sure the recording head mount is accessible for adjustments later. This saves time before wiring and calibration. Next, you focus on the device that captures sound and the transport system that moves media. Begin by mounting and angling the recording head. Position affects fidelity, so measure clearance and secure the head. Then wire the motor to its controller, set speed limits, and add an emergency cutoff for protection. After that, assemble the tape or media transport, adjusting rollers and guides to ensure smooth, even motion. Make sure to run a slow test spin and watch for wobble or uneven tension. Finally, you calibrate and verify performance so the machine records reliably. Start by feeding a test tone and adjusting speed and input gain until levels are clean without clipping. Once calibrated, run a longer test session to monitor temperature, mechanical wear, and audio artifacts like flutter or hiss. If you encounter problems, begin troubleshooting systematically. Recheck head gap and alignment, confirm belt tension, ensure solid grounding, and revisit controller parameters. One key tip: isolate electrical noise by changing ground points before dismantling mechanics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.